There we go.
It's on.
Okay.
Come on, this is going to be a good flight.
This is slow motion.
Slow motion? Do it fast motion, please.
No, it's called slow motion. Watch the helicopter.
Oh, I see it now. It looks like it has like 4 blades. That's pretty cool right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, we got a bad vibration coming from somewhere though.
That ain't good. That vibration? Nice. TikTok.
I can't do TikTok, especially with this phone.
Now just do like you do with a 450. I meant 480. You're on an Eddie's the bomb. Pretty good flying.
This really isn't flying, it's more playing.
Yeah, good playing, like really. I know. This is like the best blade helicopter, the 450 IJX, and thanks to Gary Owen. We like it. Here on the camera stand.
No, you're the cameraman.
Camera stand.
I'm just trying to do a flip.
Yeah, do a flip. Can you do a flip?
I can do one. I don't know if we got enough oomph to do it though.
See?
How long we've been flying? 3 minutes.
305.
No, let's get some altitude. You still got it?
Yeah, it's still on. Ding, 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 ding. Shoot. Target. Oh, where's target?
Whoa! Did you get that?
What?
Did you see me almost crash? It hit the ground.
Now do it again.
No, I'm not going to do it again. Ain't got quite enough oomph to do a flip. I did one, but it was ugly.
Yeah.
You missed it, huh?
It was like stupid.
No, that's stupid. You just ain't got enough head speed.
Yeah. Come on, you 450. You can last 5 minutes. Come on. You can do it, champion.
You got it?
Yes. I have it.
Where you going, Matthew?
Just right here.
All right. Keep the helicopter in view, not the truck, okay?
Okay.
Nobody wants to see our truck.
Come on, 450. You can make it to 520. Dad, you need to bring it in. It's already 5 till 10. No, it's 5:15. Oh. Zoom in, zoom out.
You can't zoom with the camera run, can you?
Huh?
Oh, you're moving it. Six months. We still got battery power. Right around 1,500 RPM.
1,500 RPM? Is there things such as 2,000?
2,000? No, it'd be like 20,000.
Oh. After we make this video, can I just shoot one more gun?
Maybe. It's 7 minutes in. We still got
Woohoo!
11.3 volts.
Woohoo! You're doing good today.
Just mainly joking.
Yeah. You might want to wing it in.
No, we still got juice.
Yeah, I'm kind of filthy on the feet.
Well, how about you pay attention to what you're doing? You can wipe your feet off and go back inside.
Nice weight. Yow! Huh, you're chopping everything down. Come on, you can chop the truck.
What's the blades look like on the camera there, Blake?
A kind of... Can you tell?
No, I'm trying to watch the helicopter.
Cause if that hit me, I'd be bleeding to death. And I do not. 8 minutes.
Yeah, 8 minutes in.
Think you can make 10 minutes?
Probably. I'm gonna drop the we're at 1480 on the RPM.
Hey. Come on, bring it in so I can feel some air.
I don't get too close, buddy. I know it's running slow, but it's still enough to hurt you.
Oh. How much was this mini iPad?
I don't remember. It's 9 minutes in. Look, we're still hovering good.
Yeah, we're still hovering.
Ain't got a whole lot of punch.
So? What'd you say?
It doesn't have a whole lot of punch to go up, see?
Yeah.
But it's still fine, so. I think we'll call it quits at about 10 minutes here, though.
Yeah, we'll call it a day on this flight. I'll let you know in 10 minutes.
How's it look right there?
So? Yeah. If you get it lower and the blades are spinning, I could probably jump over it.
No, I'm not even gonna try that, okay?
Okay. Cause 800 can tell your little fingers up, right?
That 450 tell you things up.
How about the nano?
Well, you're almost 10 minutes in.
8 over 10 over 10. Nice flight.